Good morning, grade 10. Let's do 14th problem from problem set 2. Now see, this is a farm which is rectangular in shape, and inside this farm there is a pond. Now what they have said is length of a rectangular farm is 10 more than twice its breadth. So if we consider breadth as x, length will be 2x plus 10. This is a rectangular farm. So area of rectangle is what? Length into breadth. So area of farm is length into breadth. That is 2x plus 10 into x. Now come to the pond. Inside there is a pond and side of a pond is 1/3 of the breadth. 1/3 means 1 upon 3 of x. That is 1 upon 3 into x. Of means multiplication, no? So here it goes 1 upon 3 into x, which is nothing but x upon 3. I hope you understand this. Alright. And so in the diagram I have written side of a pond is x upon 3. Now see what is the condition given. This pond is square in shape. So area of the pond will be side square. So area of the pond is side of the pond, that is 1 upon 3x or x upon 3 and its square. Now what is the condition? Area of the rectangular field is 20 times the area of pond. Alright. So what is area of pond? 1 upon 3x square into 20 will be equal to area of the rectangular form. Now just open the brackets. If you multiply with x, you get 2x square plus 10 is equal to 20 into x square. 3 square is 9. 9 I am taking here, so it goes in multiplication. 18x square plus 90 is equal to 20x square. Now this 2 I am shifting that side. Nothing remains, so I have written here 0. You have 20x square minus 18x square minus 90x. 20 minus 18x square is 2x square. Minus 90x is equal to 0. Only this 0 I have shifted over here. Instead of writing like this, I have written it into this way. Now, if I divide this by 2, dividing by 2. So this is dividing by 2. What do we get? X square minus 45x is equal to 0. Take x common. X minus 45 is 0. So either x is 0 or x minus 45 is 0. But x cannot be 0, no, because x is breadth. So only option is what? X is 45. So if breadth is 45, then how much is length? 2 into 45 is 90 plus 10 is 100. So 100 meters is the length of the farm. 45 meters is breadth of the farm. And 1/3, that means 45 upon 3 is 15 meters is the side of a pond. Is this clear? So these are the things which we need to find out. Okay, please pause the video and you can take down each and every step very carefully. Alright. Let's go to the next problem now. Now let's go to the 15th question. See students, what is given is very important in question number 15. First is, there is one tank and if you on both the taps, smaller one and greater one, larger one. So larger tap and smaller tap. Both tap if you on at a time, then the tank is filled in 2 hours. That is first information. If alone larger tap is on, for example, if we consider it take x hours to fill the tank completely, then it says smaller tap is taking 3 hours more than the larger tap to fill the tank. So if a tank is filled by larger tap alone in x hours, then the tank will be filled by smaller tap alone in x plus 3 hours. I hope up till here this is clear. Now, in 1 hour, how much part of the tank is filled? That we will calculate. If larger tap is taking x hours, then in 1 hour, 1 upon x part of tank will be filled. How? Just check. See, here it is time and here it is part of tank. Okay. Now, time taken by larger tap to fill the tank alone, complete one tank. Okay, one tank is filled in how much time? X hours. Okay, so in 1 hour, time is 1 hour. how much part of the tank is filled. So how you calculate? Question mark into x will be equal to 1 into 1. We want to find how much part of tank is filled. That is equal to 1 into 1 is 1 upon x will be here 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is question mark, no? So if one complete tank is filled in x hours, in 1 hour 1 upon x part of tank will be filled. So I have written in 1 hour part of tank filled by larger tap is 1 upon x. Okay. Similarly, in 1 hour part of tank filled by smaller tap will be 1 upon x plus 3. Why x plus 3? Because smaller tap is taking x plus 3 hours. Have you understood up till here? Okay. Now once this is clear, other remaining part of the problem is very easy. Just see now, we are up till here now. In 1 hour, both the taps will fill how much part? See, in 1 hour, larger tap is taking x hours. In 1 hour, part of the tank filled by larger tap is 1 upon x. So 1 upon x part of tank is filled. In 1 hour, smaller tap is filling 1 upon x plus 3 part of tank. So both together in 1 hour, they will fill 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 3 part of the tank. This is by greater tap and this is by smaller tap. So together, this is the part of tank which is filled in 1 hour by both the taps. Okay, in 1 hour, both the taps will fill this much part of the tank. But what is the information given? Both the taps fill the tank in 2 hours. That means in 1 hour, the half tank will be filled. If to fill a tank by both the taps, if it is taking 2 hours, then in 1 hour, half tank will be filled. So half tank is filled in 1 hour, and that is this much part of the tank is filled in 1 hour. So we can equalize this much part. Therefore, 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 3. This is the part of the tank, and that is how much part? It comes out to be 1 upon 2. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now let us find or work out over here. So cross multiply. You have x plus 3 plus x upon x into x plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. I hope it is clear what we are doing. Everybody, okay? I am erasing this portion of the board. You please pause the video and take it down. Okay? Okay, let us see further now. This equation I have carried forward over here. Again, I am telling you this is the part of the tank filled by both the tanks. And how much part is filled actually? Half tank is filled. So, I am equating this equal to half. Okay. Now, this will work out over here. See, 2 into this. X plus x is 2x plus 3. This 2 is in division. Here it goes in multiplication. This 2 will go over here. So, if you multiply this, you get x square plus 3x. So, carry on this. At the end, you get quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So, tell two numbers whose product is 6 and subtraction is 1. That is nothing but minus 3x plus 2x. Alright. Now, I am erasing this as well. So, what are we left with now? We have either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or we have x plus 2 is equal to, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, x will be equal to 3 or x will be equal to minus 2. Up till here is it clear? But the time cannot be negative, no? X is nothing but what we have supposed x. X is x hours is the time required for larger tap to fill, isn't it? So, time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. Time cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 3. So, larger tap takes 3 hours and smaller tap will get, and smaller tap takes x plus 3 hours, isn't it? So that is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6 hours. Is it clear? So the larger tap fills the tank in 3 hours and the smaller tap takes 6 hours to fill up the tank. Is it clear? Okay. Please pause the video and take down all the steps. So that's all from my side, students, for today, and this is the end of your second topic. Thank you.